that. Those are actually.
Now it's just you, Rachel.
Where's the ground stop?
Right on the edge. You can put your feet right over the edge of it and push off.
Oh my gosh.
Are you getting a video, Rachel?
Just wait a second.
Don't run.
Are you videoing this?
Yep.
I should have just grabbed you and jumped over. Come on.
I hate jumping.
Come on.
Oh, this is great.
Don't tell the elf.
Jump, Rachel.
Nope.
Rachel.
Nope. We all did it. You can't make that.
That's for sure.
That's longer. Rachel, jump.
Alright, I'm gonna throw you over.
I just don't want to get totally wet. Rachel, you're not going to. You just have to jump.
Just step back. Stand right. Look, right on the edge.
Somebody be over there. Can we count to three? Can we count to three?
Don't hold on my shoulder.
Oh.
Get your foot together. You gotta lift it by yourself.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Anticlimactic.
Sliding is out.
Me either.